Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to remove grid lines from a PDF using Adobe Acrobat. If you've ever been distracted or confused by those faint grid overlays while trying to read or edit your document, don't worry. After this tutorial, you'll know how to quickly turn those off and enjoy a cleaner, clearer workspace. It's a simple process, but knowing where all the right buttons are can save you time and hassle, especially if you're customizing your view for efficient reviewing or presenting. Let's jump right in. First things first, open up your PDF document in Adobe Acrobat. You can do this by double-clicking your file or opening Acrobat and using the File menu to browse for your document. Just make sure you're in Adobe Acrobat, not Adobe Reader. Some features, including grid line settings, might look a bit different or be limited in other viewers. Once your document is open, take a quick look around. If you see a grid, a network of light gray lines overlaid on your page, those are the grid lines we're going to hide. Next, look to the very top of the screen and find the View menu. It's usually right there in the main menu bar, alongside options like File, Edit, and so on. Click View to reveal a drop-down. The View menu is basically where Acrobat keeps all the controls for what you see and how your workspace looks. So anytime you want to change the visibility of tools, rulers, panels, or in our case, grids, this is where you'll go. Now, within that drop-down, guide your mouse to Show Hide. Don't click just yet. Just hover for a moment so the submenu pops out. This option lets you manage various visibility settings. It's almost like turning the lights on and off for those extra features around your document workspace. Go ahead and hover over Rulers and Grids. You'll see another submenu slide out, showing a couple of options. What you want to select here is Grid. If grid lines are currently visible on your document, there should be a little checkmark right next to this Grid option. That checkmark is Acrobat's way of telling you, yes, the grid is turned on. All you do now is click Grid. The checkmark will disappear instantly, and so will those grid lines over your PDF. It's a subtle but powerful change. The document becomes less cluttered, so you can focus on the actual content, whether it's text, images, or forms. Hiding the grid lines doesn't remove anything from your document itself. It just changes how Acrobat displays the page while you work. Adjusting these settings is helpful if you're annotating, reviewing, or presenting the content and want your space to be as distraction-free as possible. If you ever need the grid lines back, maybe for precise alignment or design work, just repeat the process and click Grid again. It's a toggle, so you can turn the lines on and off anytime. And that's it. You've just decluttered your PDF workspace in Adobe Acrobat. If any part seemed tricky, don't worry. Menu layouts might vary slightly depending on your Acrobat version, but the core steps will always be similar. Take a moment to explore the View menu. Getting comfortable here will help you customize your space in other ways too. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a like. And if you have any questions or run into any issues, drop a comment below. I always read them and try to help out. Don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching and enjoy your PDF with its fresh grid-free look.